We're in a house that uses passive solar design solutions, using the heat from the sun to help warm the home. One of the key components of this system is the windows. And joining us from Zephyr Aluminum is Dan Zahn. And Dan, explain to us how the windows provide passive solar heat in a home.
Sure, Pete. We're using an H window from out of Ashland, Wisconsin. The passive solar heat idea is basically in the wintertime when the sun is low in the sky in the south, we bring that radiant heat through the glass and try to capture it into the home. And then the opposite is in effect in summertime when the sun is high in the sky, the house then shades the window, and when we don't want that radiant heat coming in through the window.
Now, these H windows use low E, right? Talk to us a little about what low E is.
Sure. Low emissivity, is basically coatings that you can put on the interior surfaces of the insulated glass. And the low E, basically in our climate in the Midwest, keeps the heat out in the summer and it keeps the heat in the winter, which is something we, again, going to that radiant heat and trying to be energy efficient, we try to use. The low E in this house was put in on all three sides, east and west and north. And on the south side, we used one less coating of low E to try, again, capture that radiant heat from the sun just on the south.
You bet. Now, Dan, these are custom-made windows. Talk to us a little bit about everything that's going into make the H window.
Sure. The H window is a composite window. It is an extruded aluminum window at the exterior and a solid wood window at the interior, married together. The standard exterior surface finish is a powder coat. The homeowner in this project used a architectural grade 70% Kynar paint. He also then chose to have his interior wood painted in choice of his standard color from the factory.
And again, one thing that I noticed is that we were opening the windows and the sealant on those, very tight here on these windows.
Correct. The full perimeter of the window has a Q-Lon, which is a nylon weather stripping in between the wood frame and the wood sash. So as the window is closed and drawn in, it closes very tightly against that weather strip.
Now, custom made, so we're talking a little bit more expensive for these windows, right?
Yeah, these are a little higher end window compared to some of our competitors. If you went to their high end window that they would offer, this window would be roughly 15% higher in cost.
Now, I know our homeowner though is hoping one-time purchase, right? The lifetime a lot longer for these?
Yes, there are. Because of the extruded aluminum framing at the exterior and the solid wood at the interior, this is once in a lifetime experience or purchase for the homeowner.
Dan, talk to us a little bit about the H window. More suitable for the climate here in the upper Midwest?
Sure, it's very durable. The big thing with this window too is it's very airtight. So we talk about the low E coatings and the U values of windows. This window is very airtight too with that weather stripping. So in our climate, when we got a lot of wind in the wintertime, it is very tight. It keeps the cold air out.
And we like that here on Powerhouse. Dan, thanks a lot of great information. And if you'd like more information about windows, go to our website at powerhousetv.com.